Hello everyone, today 7th of November, so we're going to analyze Bank Nifty for next week. Let me take a look on weekly chart first, and so overall it looks bullish based on the ichimoku strategy. The price is above Tenkan-sen and Kijun-sen, above the cloud, and Chiku span is above the candle. So overall it looks bullish, and in daily frame we see in a range, the price in range, so it's expecting to go in either direction. We will see the levels based on my strategy, right? So if next week on Monday Bank Nifty gap up, and if you see in the long direction, then probably we can expect the move to the next level. If in case the Bank Nifty gap down, then we can see the movements in the downtrend for the short term to these levels. So just observe these levels and know, check the tradings next week. So have these levels as a key, and you can take a trade based on these, the levels I marked here. Let's see how the market behaves next week. The Bank Nifty, overall it looks bullish to me, but the levels supposed to break out for the confirmations on the directions. So let me part okay, so it's supposed to break this range to see the directions of the next move. Alright guys, happy trading. Thank you. Vanakkam.